Good morning, everybody. I am Purva. I belong to a North Indian Brahmin family. I am 35 years old, and I found PVH. I have been following PVH around for 10 years since now. But I had this particular problem. I cannot enter a temple, particularly a goddess's temple, and I had this problem since childhood. Whenever I entered any goddess temple or like any war god like Bhairav or something like this, very fierce temple, then I had a headache and feeling like going out of control, and I was not knowing why is this thing happening to me. This continued till from my childhood till I found PVH around 10 years back. Siva sir told me that this is all because of the soul attack that I was getting from all these temples and white magic that was there. Sir told me how to detach myself from all these things. Sir cleaned me. I had got a lot of souls. So when I came to PVH, so sir told me that I had got because of all these visiting all these temples and pujas in my name to remove all this headache, and I was very weak also. I mean, I was around 26 years old, and at that time I was weighing only 32 to 33 kgs. Sir told me I had got souls in my physical body also. Sir healed me a lot without asking any single paisa or any favor. Uh, in fact, sir healed me through that Viber only. Sir healed me. Viber chats only. Sir healed me, and he taught me how to detach myself from all these temples and white magic. Sir told me how to do the affirmations, how to do self healing. They sent me a healing wand through post without any charge, free of charge. They sent me, and funny thing, he has not even met me through all these healing. Through online only he healed me, and now I'm completely fine, and I know what to do. And now I can, whenever required, I go to temple. I know how to detach myself and not to pay any attention to whatever is going on there, and to just do my work and move on. Mostly I do not go to temples now, but whenever I go, I do not get a headache or all these things now, because I do not connect to all these things. Sir told me now not to connect, because your soul is not accepting all these goddesses and all these pujas and all whatever is happening there. Sir told me your work is to act as a mother, as a wife, as a human being, and as a I'm working also. So sir told me to concentrate on my work only and not to pay any attention to these things. So now after a lot of healing and affirmations, I'm completely fine. Thank you, Siva sir. Thank you, PVH. Thank you, thank you, thank you.